guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gabrielle. Hello, hi. Today we are joined by Jayla.
The one and only mama.
The one and only mum. So,
hi guys.
Lovely. Yeah, introduce yourself.
Well, I'm your mum. That's all you need to know.
That's all you need to know. So, for today's video, we are doing a blindfolded taste test.
A bit worried about this.
Mum is going to be wearing the blindfold and I'm going to be giving her different normal household foods. And how do you feel?
A bit anxious.
A bit anxious, understandable.
I'm hoping you don't give me any like dog poo or something like that.
You know me too well.
Oh way. No, we're lucky we haven't got a dog, so she hasn't been in the back garden.
Okay, so first step, let's get you blindfolded then.
Okay.
Okay, so let me just blindfold you here. Very, very excited for this challenge. Can you see anything?
I can't see a thing.
How many fingers am I holding up?
I have no idea. 4.
What am I doing right now?
Picking your nose.
Okay, let me get the first food.
Here we go, here we go.
Woo! Okay, up first we have got...
What? Chotomai.
Woo! Ding, ding, ding! Smash that.
Whoa!
Very good. Was it scary not knowing?
Yeah, it's quite scary what you put in your mouth.
Yeah, exactly. But it's quite a shock.
Cool.
You happy with that?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll let you finish that. I am just going to get a little spoon.
Is that a spoon as well?
Yeah. So this one is something going in your mouth and then it's going to be on a spoon.
Right.
Okay, ready?
Baked beans.
Woohoo! Very good. You're smashing this. You like your food, hun, don't you?
Yes, darling. I like the gym too. I just don't go.
You do go to the gym sometimes.
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Right. Next up, you ready for your third one?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Again, this is going to be on a spoon.
Okay.
Okay.
Tell me when to open.
Okay. Open.
Olive oil. Oh no, it's my sesame oil. Sesame oil? Yeah.
Sesame oil,
Boom! 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 Come on, I need to get this out of my mouth.
okay, I'll get you off.
Where's the water? Quickly! Put it in my hand. Oh, that's nasty. You don't eat all like that. Mm-mm. I bet you I'll be on the toilet later tonight. Pure oil going through your system. Oh god, I bet I've got diarrhea. Watch Chelsea. No, you shouldn't do that to somebody, that's not good. I like the oil, but with some food with it. You don't just eat
You're
that.
obsessed with sesame oil.
Yeah, but you don't just eat it on its own. You put it with a salad or a bit of meat or something. Ugh, that's nasty. Even though I like it, you can't just eat it like that. Oh god.
I've got tears. I've got tears.
Come on, move on to the next one. I don't like this chaos.
Next one.
What are you
okay. Okay, open wide, no spoon this time.
Okay.
What do you think it is then?
I think it's probably a bit of like salami, ham or...
Okay. Is that your final answer?
No, hold on. Dry. Is it?
Big try.
It's like Choritos and...
Ah, do you know what? That's quite smart.
It's Chorito something.
Do you want me to tell you what it was?
No, wait. Chorito pastry? No.
I feel like you're on the right lines there because I did do a bit of a trick one and that was in fact a parcel of tortellini pasta. So whatever the hell was in tortellini was in the...
Did you really make it that dry?
Yeah. Did she like it?
It was actually alright.
She likes dry
That was
pasta.
actually, yeah. Fling a bit of sauce in there, that would have been great. I told you.
Okay, well done, yeah. So I'm not sure what actually was in it. So the next one is again on a spoon for this one. Okay, ready? Open.
It's like tomato sauce, but not. Barbecue sauce.
Nope.
Brown sauce.
Yay! Well done! Do you like that one or not?
I like brown sauce with the sausage.
The next one is a spoon, open wide.
Oh, I don't like a ready bowl. Ready bowl. It's a spice of some sort.
Can you not tell what it is? You can do it. Just tune in to your inner brain. If you had that in a meal,
me a
what
clue.
would it be? Starts with G, same as my name.
Garam masala.
Nope.
Garlic.
Yay!
It wasn't that. It wasn't. Do you know what though? It wasn't that garlicky.
Garlic granule.
Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
It
Okay.
wasn't, yeah.
So you
Now I
pick
can
that
taste
one.
it now. I can taste it now. It's coming through. Yeah.
You're doing very.
5-0. Whoop. Come on, next
You're
one.
doing very, very well. Right, ready?
What?
Open wide. It's on the spoon.
Mint sauce. Mint sauce, isn't it? Can I have a tissue?
Yeah.
I love mint sauce, but it has to have meat with it. You can't just have it on its own. Where's the tissue? Oh, cool. This is going to be horrendous, I know it.
It's not, I promise. But it's on a spoon.
Chilli. It's pretty like you. Sorry, I didn't mean to call you that. Jesus, Gab.
They're not
Seriously.
spicy. They're not spicy.
They are if you put them straight on your tongue. How many taste buds you got on your tongue?
21.
Where's the water? Oh my god. Oh my god. You have to get me some more water.
Okay,
Oh mate. No, guys, that's not even funny. I need to brush my teeth. Give me the last one quickly.
Quick.
I've won this challenge. Oh my god. No, why'd you put it? Oh my god.
Wait, let me just get the last one. Hold on.
Oh, that better be dessert. Oh, that's horrible to do that. Oh my god, my tongue's on fire.
It can't be.
Ah, it is.
It's not spicy. Right.
It's chilies. What about chilies is not thick and hot? Oh my god.
Okay,
Oh,
right,
God.
this is the last
Make sure
one.
this cools down. I need something
It will cool it down, I swear. This one
quickly.
will cool it
Can't deal
down.
with this. Come on, look. Seriously.
Okay. Okay, ready? It's on a spoon. Open.
Not sure. Taste again.
Okay.
I can't taste the chili's burning off my mouth.
Okay, you want a second taste? Okay, hold on. Let me just get you a nice second taste.
Wow, did I actually just notice Jen cheating whilst I'm editing? Removing her mask during the challenge, and I didn't notice at the time. Don't worry, Jen. A big fat prank is coming your way. Sleep with one eye open, hun. JLo's most embarrassing prank to date coming to your screen soon.
You like that taste then? Do you just said mmm?
No, I just got away with the chili thing.
Okay.
It's still a bit oily. whatever it is.
Why?
No, I don't want the next one.
You said you wanted a second.
Yeah, just a little bit.
Okay, hold on. Let me just give you a little bit then.
Oh, so it's got
Okay.
a combination of flipping. Oh.
Ready?
Egg. Is that egg? No, you can't eat raw eggs, Gab. Oh my god. I smashed that. You can't eat raw egg.
You can. The
You
salmonella
can't.
is not a thing at the moment.
Can you pass me a wipe? Freaking hell. Anyway, I won. I don't care. Jesus, Bubba. Who won?
You won. Well
Always.
done. So I suppose that is the end of the
challenge,
video.
but you know what? I know.
So
Thanks, guys, for watching. Being tortured.
I guess that's you wrapping up the video then, isn't it?
I think so.
That's it. Thank you for participating. Much appreciated.
welcome.
See you in the next one where I'll do another.
No, I'm gonna do yours next.
Only fair. But thank you so much for watching,
Cheers, guys.
That was the end of the video. Did you
My
enjoy
mouth's
it?
still burning.
Did you enjoy it?
Until you give me the chili, yeah.
Okay, I will see you in the next one. If you did enjoy it, please do try to like, comment and subscribe. Goodbye!
Bye.
Thanks.